I have a small collective haul. If you're interested, if you love those type of videos, just keep watching.
But what's standing in our way? He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like that. He does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice.
So everyone, I went to Target, and the Target, you know, at Target it's usually a hit or miss, because not because they don't have good stuff, but usually it's all gone. So this time I went and I did find some good pieces. I found this really really nice candle. Not that just the packaging is nice, because it's in this really nice bronzy color container. It's from Magnolia, and I guess the scent is meadow. That's what it have on here. It smells so good. It's a 4-wick candle, and the good thing about it, you can use the cover as a base for the candle when you're burning it like that. But overall, I like the overall aesthetic of the candle. I love the container, and plus it smells good. So that's the first thing. This was $19.99, and love this. I was also really excited to find this tray. It is a marble tray. It is a round one, really nice. This was $25, and this is by Studio McGee. Love it. That's the last one left, and that's how it looks. It's so beautiful. And this one I'm going to use for my bedside nightstand, to throw some remotes and stuff like that on there. I have my remotes right here, and I just throw those on there, and any other little catch-all on my nightstand when I take my ring off at night, throw it in here, and it still looks beautiful. Love this. This was like the best find. So moving on, still at Target, I lucked up and found this. It's actually a planter, but I'm using it as a vase. And what I did, I just threw some of these Michael fall stems in there, and I love the neutral look of it. And this was actually on clearance, and I got it for $20. I love the texture on it. The texture is really pretty, and it's a nice size. So this was $20, another really nice find at Target. Look at that texture. Isn't it beautiful? So I did pick up some beauty items at Target. My daughter needed some, well, me and my daughter needed some mascara remover, and I picked this up. I never used this brand, but I'm trying it now, and it's to remove eye makeup. It's just little pads, so pick that up. That was one thing out of the beauty section. Also, I picked up these facial erasers to remove like peach fuzz on your face. I've seen it done. I have never tried it, but I'm gonna try it. So I picked these up, and for the first time I bought some clothes at Target. I wanted some clothes that I can throw on that's really cute for the fall, that I can wear throughout the winter. And I got some of these sweatpants, and they are cinched at the bottom right there. I love the color. And they look like that. They do have pockets on the side, and the brand is Universal Thread, I think. Universal Thread. I already took the tag off, but these were $25. So I did get these, because in the winter time you can also throw some knee-high boots on with these, with a cute top, and wear that. So I got it in that gray color, and I also got it in this like brownish tan color, and this is a medium. I originally got a large, but I had to take it back and get the medium. And for the brownish color one, I did get this shirt. It's the same brand. I did get this shirt. It's a long sleeve shirt, and the material seemed really good, really good. So also got this in medium, and this is Universal Thread, and this will pair with that. So you see how the material is really nice. And for the gray pants, I got this hoodie, and this is like a really light gray hoodie. I like how the front is right here. I like that, how it's cut right here in the front. And it does have a hood, and I'm gonna pair this with the gray, and that's how it looks together. So, hey Pepper Whipper. Hey Pepper Whipper. Pepper Whipper got a haircut. She looks so cute. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, Pepper Whipper. Say hi. Okay. Pottery Barn, they have the best faux fur blankets and throws. It's actually a throw. Love it. It's so luxurious. It is pricey, but trust me, you will love it. Instead of buying, you know, other throw blankets that's not as luxurious, just spend the money and get a nice one. And this one is from Pottery Barn. I totally love it. I know Home Goods, Target, they have some nice throws as well, but this is just my absolute favorite. So this is the smaller size, the regular size. So this one is for downstairs, a sofa, if anybody want to cuddle up when it gets cold. And then I bought the bigger size, the 60 by 80. I bought that one for my bedroom. So if you're interested in this, trust me, it is gorgeous. It's luxurious. You'll love it. This is at Pottery Barn. Also, I do have some stuff, and I did share. If you follow me on Instagram, or if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'm always dropping gems on there. So this is my favorite scent at Bath & Body, and I love this one so much. This is your white tea and sage, and it smells so good. It smells really good. And what I did, I always combined it with the wallflower scents and of course the spray. So all white tea and sage. So I have the candle and really pretty scents. I can't describe it. It's just really, it smells luxurious to me. It really does. It smells luxurious. So if you haven't tried it, go ahead and try it. I believe that you will love it. It's totally not for everyone. It smells so good. It's totally not for everyone, but I'm not really into really sweet, fruity scents. I do like some, you know, but this is like an all-day, everyday scent. It smells like walking into a luxurious hotel. You know, most hotels have really nice scents. So that's what it smells like to me. I totally love it. So moving on, the last thing that I have is from a local small business, and they sell pillows. And I did shout them out on Instagram. This is their card. They're called the Styled House, and it's local to my area. They're locally in Maryland, and they sell pillow covers, and they sell now curtains. So these are the pillow covers that I got, and it's sort of like a faux suede, and it's in a creamy like tan color. And I do have the pillow. I did use the pillow insert, a pillow insert that I have right here, and this is how gorgeous the pillow cover is. And I hope you're getting the true color of it. I believe on the site it's called Salt, I think, but really pretty. I added, I think it's 22 by 22, maybe 24 by 24. I'm not really sure. But you could check their site out and see. And I just added some inserts that I already had. And this is how it looks. So shout out to the Style House small business. And like I said, this is their card. So that's about it. That's all that I got. It's a small haul. And just really nice things that go together. So run to Target, see if you find any of the things that you like. And that's about it for today. I'm happy that you joined on this Sunday, and we'll see you again on Wednesday. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like